Hello guys, it's Che here. If you want to know how I do my at-home nails, my DIY nails, then keep on watching. I love to use Lola. Lola is a 6-in-1 rechargeable manicure-pedicure set from Fancii. It's super easy to use. It works with natural nails and it also works with acrylics, which is great. So it comes with this magnetic case and it also comes with 6 different head attachments. Easily file, sand, and buff. This is rechargeable. There are 8 speed settings. The power button is right here. Just hold it for 2 seconds. Alright, so what I love about Lola has switch direction of head rotation, increase and decrease rotation speed. I also love this magnetic case. It comes with 6 different head attachments. We have sandpaper head, which is this guy right here. We have coarse grinder, fine grinder, this little guy right here, one of my fave. This is the tapered head, needle head, and last but not least, we have this felt buffer.